The luxury real estate industry is evolving rapidly. Did you know that 74% of property management companies utilize AI for task automation? However, implementing AI comes with challenges. Fragmented systems, high operational costs, and inefficiencies are holding many properties back. Amenify eliminates those barriers. Our AI-powered platform consolidates services into one seamless solution, boosting efficiency and reducing operational headaches. Consider this. AI-driven property management platforms have the potential to boost rental income by up to 9% while cutting maintenance costs by as much as 14%. Over 1,000 properties nationwide have partnered with Amenify, streamlining operations and elevating tenant experiences. It's not just about technology, it's about transformation. AI not only solves problems, but also creates opportunities for higher retention, cost savings, and premium tenant experiences. Step into the future of property management. Discover how Amenify can elevate your operations and tenant satisfaction today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.